Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we've got an exciting combo to talk about, the cimetech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This sleek and efficient duo is designed to elevate your computing experience. Let's dive in and explore all its features. Let's start by introducing the cimetech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This combo is designed with a focus on slimness and ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and efficient typing and navigation experience. The design of this combo is both slim and ergonomic. The wireless keyboard has a tilt angle that promotes a comfortable typing position. Additionally, the sweat-resistant, skin-friendly finish of the wireless mouse, with its contoured shape, ensures hours of comfortable use. Now, let's talk about the keyboard features. This full-sized wireless keyboard comes equipped with a numeric keypad and multimedia hotkeys for instant access to functions like music, internet, email, and volume control. It's designed for fast and efficient typing. However, please note that the hotkeys are not fully compatible with Mac systems. One standout feature of this combo is its noise reduction. The keyboard's keys are designed to be less noisy, and the mouse provides a silent click. This means you can work without disturbing your environment or missing a sound. Worried about changing batteries frequently? Well, this combo has you covered. It features an auto sleeping mode and on-off switches to help conserve battery life. This means you can go for months without the hassle of changing batteries. Please note that RR batteries are not included. Setting up this combo is a breeze. Simply connect both the wireless keyboard and mouse to a single USB receiver. The nano receiver conveniently snaps into the storage compartment of the mouse. There's no need for any additional software, and you can enjoy a strong and reliable wireless connection up to 10 meters away with virtually no delays or dropouts. Speaking of the mouse, it offers precise control with adjustable DPI levels. You can easily change the cursor sensitivity depending on your activities, whether it's 800 DPI for office work or higher settings for tasks like gaming or 4K resolution monitors. It also features 2 polling rates, which you can adjust easily. Wondering if this combo will work with your device? It's compatible with a wide range of systems, including Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. Whether you're using a PC, desktop computer, laptop, or notebook, this combo has you covered. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that cimetech provides excellent customer support. If you ever encounter technical issues, their support team is ready to assist you promptly. And there you have it, folks. Our in-depth look at the cimetech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech savvy.